Okay, well done for completing the first part of this course. You now have your own business website up and live on the internet, pointing to your domain name. What we're going to be doing in this next part of the course is we're going to run through the actual designing and content changing, image optimization and stuff like that in the rest of the website to make it personal to you. Okay, so whenever you log in, as I said earlier, you've deleted the easy hide login, so it will be makeup artist geeksaid.co.uk, whatever your domain name is, /wp-admin. And as long as you clicked remember me when you first signed in, it should take you straight into your dashboard. There we go, so we're straight in to the dashboard. Okay, this will disappear over time. This one here says activate, deactivate. Just click this every now and then and it will clear out a load of bits and pieces. But this is what generally the back area looks like. So you can get rid of a lot of this, dismiss that. If you can, go on, set up Jetpack. It's got some good bits and pieces. I'll probably cover that in a later video anyway, but I'll delete it for now. Astra is what we're going to do. You can put in a review for it, or just click already did and it'll disappear. Okay, and the rest of this is just general bits and pieces. You can delete all this, change it, do what you want. To do that, up here you have screen options, so you can click on different bits and pieces, switch it on and off, or do whatever you want. Okay, so just to give you a quick overview, down the side here we have the areas where we can go into everything. You've got your home page, updates, go in here, check this every now and then, just make sure everything's all up to date. This is a fresh install, so it should be fairly up to date there. It's already telling us one thing now needs to be updated. You go in, click on update, it'll do that. Jetpack is a plugin. You can go and switch it off, but it has some freebie tools that you can use to speed up your site and do some other bits and pieces. Be careful with Jetpack, although a majority of it is free, there are a number of paid add-ons to it, so it will end up charging you if you want to use all the really good stuff. Okay, posts, these will be blog posts, we'll cover them at a later date. Media is where all your photographs and imagery that we're using on the website will be stored. I'll just quickly click into there to show you. As you scroll down, there's all the images that are currently on the website at the moment. Okay, pages, this is where the pages of your website live. So we have all our pages on here. This is what makes up the actual website at the moment. Comments is for when you're doing posts and people leave remarks. You have WP forms automatically installed, and this allows people to send you questions from a contact form. We'll cover that later on in a bit of the training. Elementor, you don't have to worry about this, but this is the builder we will be using. We have templates, which again you're not going to need to use at this stage. The appearance, which we're going to cover shortly, because this is where WP Astra all lives. Plugins, we click into there. This area is where we get extra functionality for our website. So this shows you immediately when you go on all the little bits and pieces that make up our website, and you can deactivate, activate, delete them if you don't want them. It's up to you. Just go through, but remember your website is using them. If you want to add a new website, plugins there. For example, if we wanted to do a chatbot, type in Messenger, or whatever your search, be social share. They are Messenger Customer Chatbot. This is the official one from Facebook. It's only got a 3-star rating, so you're probably better off going with one of these other ones that do work better. So they've all got better ratings than the actual one. Okay, so this is where you add your plugins. You'll get used to these as we go. Where we have users, click into that, and in here you'll see yourself. Well, you won't do because you haven't got it set up, but in here you come through, put all your own details and information in here. You can put a bio, profile picture, you go on Gravatar, upload a picture to Gravatar, and it will automatically put it into there. This is where you come to generate new passwords as well. Update the profile when you're ready. Okay, further down you have tools, so you can have a click through. It's not really, apart from optimizer, there's not a lot you can use in there. Your settings, so come across here, click on general. This is where you change your site title and tagline, your admin email address. We want to change English to English United Kingdom. We're on 0 time. I always change the date format to what we use in the UK. Week starts on Monday. Save changes. Okay, this last one, the performance one, that is separate again. That is nothing to do with you. Don't worry about it. That just does other stuff that's of no relevance whatsoever. Okay, so that's a quick overview of your dashboard. To be honest, there's going to be very few bits of this you're actually going to use. Okay, so as you go through the training, you'll see the actual areas that you're going to use the most. Okay, thanks very much, and I'll see you in the next video.